Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the phone and getting to settings quickly. Make sure your Nothing Phone 3A is unlocked and above 20% battery so always on display won't be interrupted. Once ready, open settings using the app drawer or swipe down and tap the gear icon. This is faster. Now navigate to display, type display in settings search if you prefer. These steps place you at the exact menu where always on display lives so you can act without delays. Once in display, tap Always on Display to reveal the controls and options. Toggle the switch to turn AOD on. You'll see immediate preview so you know how it looks. Make choices for content. Pick a clock style, add notification icons or small widgets, and select contrast or color. Then set when AOD runs. Choose Always, Bedtime, or create a custom schedule by picking start and end times. Make sure you save or confirm changes so the display behaves as expected. To finish, review battery and app optimization to ensure Always on Display isn't restricted. Open battery settings and exclude AOD-related system apps if needed. Lock the phone and observe the AOD. Check brightness, legibility, and whether notifications appear. If it's not showing, reboot the phone first. Then verify software is updated and re-enable AOD. If problems persist, reset AOD settings to defaults or contact support. This sequence resolves most issues and ensures AOD runs reliably on your Nothing Phone 3A.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.